Hi everybody, our workshop has officially begun. My name is Kay Shelton and I will be your workshop facilitator. I hope my passion for online teaching and learning is contagious for you throughout the week. I really believe in this delivery method. Because of my passion, I've spent a lot of time researching in this field, especially in the area of quality online education. The Quality Scorecard for the Administration of Online Programs was the first major project, and it was a natural step forward to develop a scorecard for quality online teaching, hence the name Quality Course Teaching and Instructional Practice, but we call it QCTIP. I'm sure you know by now the quality rubrics in literature primarily focus on course development. The QCTIP scorecard does have a couple of areas that address course development because good online teaching can depend on good course design. Your first step is to complete the introduction forum assignment, which I think many of you have already done. Be sure to check back into this forum and see who your colleagues are in the workshop. I find we learn as much from each other as we do from the teaching and the resources. The more active you are in the workshop, the richer it will be. You have two primary activities after that. You will have resources and presentations to read and then asked to formulate a comprehensive response to the activity. Your final responses to the second activity are due Sunday. Be sure to post any questions you have about the technology or the workshop, or if you have any difficulty in the help forum. I will be monitoring that closely all week. I look forward to working with you this week and learning from you as well.